everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today's video we're going to cook
Scrambled egg with cheese and ham.
sandwich. Okay, let's go. Here, ano ni? Egg.
What's this? We need egg.
And then we need
Luncheon meat.
luncheon meat.
Cheese.
And
bread. To make a sandwich.
okay. We're going to
Mix.
dip. So we sliced the luncheon meat into a thin because if it's too thick, so hindi naman manami. So this one na siya ka-thin, guys.
We are going to slice the spam and the cheese.
Okay, and now after that we're going to
Cook the spam.
okay, we're going to heat the pan and then we're going to add
Some oil. Okay,
Okay.
that's enough.
okay.
We're going to make scrambled egg.
And we're going to fry it.
And oh my gosh.
You're going to
Flip it.
yeah, you know how to flip it?
I think it's sticking. Hold on. Oh my god.
Okay. Now and then we're going to set it aside. Now we're going to set it aside. It's okay. And later we're
Oh
going to
my
slice it.
gosh.
Okay. Now we're going to add a little bit of
Oil.
oil. Okay. It's enough. It's it. And then we're going to
Add spam.
yeah. We're going to cook our spam, our
Oh.
luncheon meat. Okay, cool. Then you flip it. Okay.
Oh no. I think I accidentally sliced the spam.
Mm.
It's sliced. The ham and then
Until
I mean liwat. Cook the spam until it's golden brown. I think I did.
now it's golden brown. We're going to I think
Add
that's
it?
our- yeah, no,
With
yeah.
the plate. Oh. This is so hard. Okay. I think grab two at the same time.
Yeah.
It's sticky.
Cute. Mm.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Our bread. And then to put
Some cheese.
yeah. Okay. And then we're going to add the cheese.
And
Add
I mean the egg.
the egg. Yeah, okay. And
Okay,
we're
then I
going-
put the ham or spam.
yes.
And add another one.
And then it's done. So this is our snacks for this afternoon. And then we're going to
Flip it.
yeah, to add. So it's ready to, and then you can cut here if you want to. Right?
Yeah. One more.
So this is your final product.
I love the spam.
Yeah. So yes. Let me see what you got. Wow. So very good.
I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, subscribe to our channel.
Say thank you. God
And thank
bless.
you. God bless. Bye-bye.